We'll be changing the light bulbs in my Bayco work lights. I've had these lights for over 10 years and they still work great. They've pretty much had almost every kind of fluid spilled on them, whether it was transmission fluid, brake fluid, engine oil, brake parts cleaner, degreasers, everything, and they still work fine. They've been dropped many times and they're great. They use a PL type fluorescent bulb. To change the bulb, all you need is a star point. What you want to do is pull that off. Then you have two small star points. Screw those. You just slide this up. And there you go. You want to make sure your pins are up so that your new bulb will make contact and work. If your pins are pushed down, then you have to remove these screws all around, and just use the same star point and push the pins up with your hands, and then it'll work. These are replacement bulbs. There, that's it. It's in. The new bulb is slightly smaller, but hopefully it works. This just slides back on. Then you put your two screws back in. Put your top back on, and you're done. Alright. The new bulb takes a lot longer to turn on, but it was a cheap bulb. The old bulb, a lot more expensive, is the actual Bayco bulb. The new bulb is a Sunlite. Takes a little longer to turn on, but it's just as bright. On this one, the bulbs are shattered. And we'll go throw this away. You can see right here on this one the pin is pushed in, so if I install a new bulb it would not work. So I'll have to open it up. To open it up there is 2, 3, 4, 6 star point screws. Once you have all the screws loosened, just split it apart carefully. Hold this side in because it's going to try to come with it, so hold that in. And there you go. Now you just want to push this back in. Push that one in. That's the one that's coming out. Push the pin back in. So on mine, the pin broke off. So I'm going to be soldering it back on. Alright, I soldered that connector and then I just pushed. I used the needle nose pliers to hold it and push it in. And now I'm going to put it back together. You want to make sure this is fitted in there. And this here, make sure that piece of rubber piece goes through that hole so it lines up good. Watch all your wires, make sure you don't crush anything. Line that up. Okay, that bottom's in for the top. Just line it all up. Squeeze it back together. It's back together. Now just tighten your 6 screws. But I'm gonna test it out before I tighten it all back up to make sure it works. This is one I fixed and it works. And there's the other one and it works. Alright, these Sunlite bulbs are not the best compared to the actual Bayco bulbs, but it was 10 bulbs for 15 bucks, so hopefully they last long. I was always using just one bulb anyways. Now at least 2 work. Tightening up your screws. Slip your top cap back on. And that's good. The Sunlite bulbs take a lot longer to heat up compared to the actual Bayco bulbs. are instant, but they do work.